We're going back tomorrow. Tell me the cartridge cost as much as the clunkers. You went to mention that asshole.
On July 16th, while the scientists at Cindy's site waited for the test in the
God, I don't believe it.
one year becomes of the gun-type uranium weapon.
It's never gonna thaw. Not with that block of ice and that other bucket down there.
So, you wanna go over there behind the little stove and tell the people what you think of it, since we're recording?
It's an outrageous piece of shit.
Well, if you go over there, they can...
have something like that online. Get it convertible to propane.
If you go over there, people can see you while you're telling them it's a piece
I'm gonna go get this card.
Okay. Then you can go back there and tell them it's a piece of crap. That's YouTube. Manhattan Project video. Almost over. Do you know we blew things up with metal? By slamming metal together? I mean, I knew it was not good to slam metal together. It chips, you get hunks in your eye, has to be taken out. Boy, that's steel.
Yeah.
There she is, Nana, to tell you all about her opinion of this Coleman stove.
Sure you want to hear it, people?
Come on, Nana, lay it on them.
Well, unless you want to pay $20 a cylinder every time you put one in for 8.5 ounces, I suggest you don't buy it. It looks like a pain in the rear end to hook up as well. Click in and click out my butt.
So it's going back.
I'm going to shove it up Walmart's, you know.
Nana checked out generators at Tractor Supply today. How much?
One was $7.99, the other was $6.99.
Well, take it out petty cash.
Oh, right. We don't even have that much on all the cards put together.
Oh, you mean 100?
100, not
dollars. Oh, that's right. Everything costs money.
Yeah. At PG, they don't care if we die, and they're going to turn it off again on his third appointment. You watch. I love PG&E to death. I wish.
Well, I suggested giving them anal love with a 24-inch chainsaw.